At GA Engineering, part of the 360 Energy Group, precision isn't just a promise, it's our legacy. For over 50 years we've worked in the aerospace, oil and gas, renewables, defence, marine and nuclear sectors, delivering high-spec parts that meet the toughest standards. Step into our workshop and you'll see what sets us apart. We have the tools and the range to deliver precision at every level. From CNC milling and turning to 5-axis versatility, we're built to handle it all. Big or small, complex or high volume, size doesn't matter. We've got the machines, the assembly capability and the expertise to make it happen. Our production engineering team brings ideas to life. Using the latest 3D CAD/CAM technology, Fusion 360 and Hypermill software, ensuring every component is built with pinpoint accuracy and efficiency. Quality's at our core. With 3 5-axis CMM machines in a dedicated inspection department, every piece is tested, measured and verified, because we believe excellence should be standard and not optional. And when it comes to finishing touches, all manufactured parts go through a rigorous deburring and ultrasonic cleaning process. For more specific finishes, our aerospace accredited supply chain ensures that every part is ready as required. From plating, anodizing and specialist painting to heat treatment and non-destructive testing, our trusted partners meet the same high standards we uphold in-house. Every finishing and inspection process is tracked, certified and audited, adding layers of quality assurance that give our customers absolute confidence in every component we deliver. Our operation here at GA Engineering is built on smart tech. Planning and scheduling are powered by Seiki systems, fully integrated and Industry 4.0 compliant, keeping production smooth, traceable and right on time. GA Engineering holds accreditations that speak to our dedication to quality, safety and forward-thinking innovation. These include AS 9100, ISO 45001, ISO 14001, JOSCA, Cyber Essentials and Fit for Nuclear. With 0 NCRs to date, our standards aren't just high, they're proven. It's a benchmark we're proud of and a shared achievement recognised across our entire group. It's taken years of focus and hard work to get here, and it reflects exactly where we've always aimed to be. At GA Engineering, we don't just machine parts, we engineer trust.